Okay, having doubts. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing NYX eyeshadow primer. This is probably one of my favorite brands for all the primers, and I did have two primers from NYX. One of them is out of stock. It's not even out of stock. They stopped manufacturing the primer, which was really sticky and was really good. I mean, like, my eyeshadows were in place until I took them off, and the second NYX primer was really good as well. That is the main reason why I'm super excited to give it a try to this one. It can be stored, or you can use it up until 6 months when you open the product, and you get 0.27 ounces or 8 milliliters in one package. And I would say that Wet n Wild is 10 milliliters more than here, but I would say that this is not a bad amount of product. And Wet n Wild is cheaper. NYX is a little bit more expensive. I don't remember the exact price, but it was definitely under 10 euros per one eyeshadow primer. So it's sealed. I haven't tried this product yet. I'm going to be doing a wear test. You get an applicator, which is really good, so you can control your application. I would say that it's almost transparent, has a little bit of beige undertone. It feels a little bit sticky, but nothing crazy. Maybe this is a mix of formula that I had years ago and the one that I had not so far ago. It's nice, but a little bit sticky. I'm gonna real quick do my eye makeup. Yeah, it's definitely sticky, just a little bit. Just good. I'm gonna real quick do my makeup, and then I'll be back and start the clock. But time that I applied this primer is 24 minutes past 3 p.m. Real quick, I want to get back with some updates. I managed to complete my makeup look under 15 minutes. Okay, this is the final look. I could easily transfer all of these colors. I feel like it's a little bit sticky. That is the main reason why it was easy for me to transfer this eyeshadows. They're popping out. They're very beautiful. It does look pretty. I don't really have a lot of, like, again, fallouts, nothing crazy. So we're gonna keep on testing. I'm gonna be finishing my lip combination, and guys, I'm gonna see you only in a couple of hours with updates. See you in a bit. Guys, I completely forgot that I'm filming a review. It's 9:30 p.m. and I've been wearing this makeup look for around 6 hours. Let me zoom in. I was running like crazy. I tried to film a video when I was in the elevator and I was literally like sweating and running for my life. But then it just stopped, and all the people, they rushed into this elevator, and it felt awkward. I'm like, ugh, it's so weird that I'm filming myself and talking in English. So that is the main reason I'm like, okay, let's just cut it. This is the final look. I mean, all the eyeshadows are in place after like 6 hours of wear. I don't have any problems, but I do feel like it's a little bit crazy in the inner corner, like here. I mean, I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's a little bit crazy right here. Nothing crazy. We gotta put it under another test. Like another test. Should I do this tomorrow? I should probably do this tomorrow. Okay, having doubts. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, guys, it's gonna be my second time trying out this eyeshadow primer, and I want to do a comparison. So I have a Wet n Wild eye primer that I use every single time. It's really good quality. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild for my left eye and then NYX for the right eye. I'm gonna give it a real comparison today, and I woke up really early in the morning around 6 a.m. to make sure that I have all the things done and then start my wear test as early as possible and to finish this wear test as late as possible. Both of these primers are in place. I'm gonna real quick do my makeup, and then I'll be back to start the clock, but it's 8:45 a.m. Okay, let's start the clock. It's almost 9 p.m. and my makeup is fully on. If you're interested in how I got this eyeshadow look, then you can check out my shorts, but let's get started. Guys, 10 minutes to 10 p.m. and I've been wearing this makeup look for almost 13 hours, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember when I started the clock. When I'm gonna be editing, I can remember, but right now it's like 12 or 13 hours, like a really long day. And I had my doubts for a reason in the first wear test, because you can tell this is the right eye, and my eyeshadows, they're in the creasing. You can see that this is the creasing line. I mean, I have some shimmers from this eyeliner because I was setting my eyeliner with a little bit additional eyeshadows on top, like not an eyeliner, just some eyeshadows. And that is the reason why it left some stains or just have some kind of eyeshadows on top. It has nothing to do with eyeshadows and has nothing to do with an eye primer. But this is crazy because you can definitely see the color sitting in the creases. And at first it was just a little bit. My eyeliner is still in place, but it was randomly like a small corner. I guess 7 hours later, and 13 hours later, this space is almost gone. And I'm super happy that I have Wet n Wild, so we can see the comparison. Wet n Wild is not a bad eye primer, and lots of Wet n Wild products are really, really good quality. Again, I do have some stains from this eyeliner because I set my eyeliner with additional eyeshadows, but overall, everything is in place. No creasing, no problems. You can see that I have like similar creasing for both sides. And I'm shocked and disappointed at the same time. Who would have thought that NYX eye primer is gonna be that bad? All of my NYX primers, they were great quality. Let's be real. If you go out and you have your working hours or shift starting from 9 a.m. approximately, you need to get dressed, get your makeup on, then you have to drive. Let's start around 8 a.m. and then you come home, like your shift stops around 6 p.m. and then you need to drive home. Maybe you can do a couple of pickups. So your makeup has to stay on at least 11 or maybe 10, 11 hours. And then when you have maybe some meeting with your friends after your working hours or your shifts, you know, you expect your makeup to look good. Like, maybe not perfect. Of course, again, this is just my kind of fault that I used a little bit of color to set this and it left some stains, but overall, it's even pretty. I mean, like, it doesn't really look bad. But the color wash, it's not good. I mean, during the first wear test, I was like, something is off. I feel like my makeup is super sheer and it's super soft. That's why I have to give it a try and do a wear test that's gonna take a long period of time. I'm disappointed, guys. I'm disappointed because Wet n Wild is actually cheaper than NYX. And Wet n Wild has 10 milliliters. I have only 8 milliliters in NYX. Wow. Who would have thought? I'm not going to recommend this eye primer. I will keep on using this eye primer, I believe, because I spend my money and I don't really have money to burn, and that's probably I'm going to be using this. Especially I do a lot of shorts and put on a bit different makeup, and then I'm just like staying at home and doing some stuff around the house. But for something that I'm going to be like meeting my friends and maybe going out for a long period of time, like a full day, I will go with Wet n Wild. I'm not going to go with NYX. And I don't really know if we need any eye primer. Probably concealer is going to do a better job. Should I do second part and do comparison with concealer? If I get a concealer on and then NYX eye primer, and then we're going to compare them and see if you can use just concealer instead of primer. Let me know if you're interested in this type of video. And guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. You saw everything yourself. See you next time.